Alright, what's up guys and welcome to the channel once more. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recover a sub-deleted mailbox that has been deleted in the identity portal as well, but is still in the grace period of 30 days. So take for example, in the previous video I showed you how to recover the mailbox if it was in the deleted users section in the entire identity portal. All you needed to do was to click on the mailbox and then click restore user, and then the mailbox will be restored, and then all you have to do now is to assign a license to that user, and then you have access to that mailbox once again. But in this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore that mailbox if it was deleted here. So I have my trusted Giddy user here. I'll go ahead to delete this user from the system. Okay, delete on assigning license. So now the user has been deleted from the system. Okay, I'll come to the identity portal, refresh, go to the user. Now the user has been deleted from the active users. Okay, let's close this. The Giddy is no more in the active users. Now Giddy boy is in the identity deleted users. Now we run some PowerShells just to confirm if Giddy is in our system. Get mailbox, I think. Okay, just get mailbox. And now this is going to return all the mailbox in our organization. You can see Giddy is not an alias here. Giddy is not in the system, but the mailbox still exists. I run get hyphen mailbox hyphen soft deleted mailbox. Okay, so if you just check right down there, you can see Giddy is still in the system right as a sub. So now we've confirmed that Giddy is in the sub-deleted state in our system. So Giddy is here. You can also do get mailbox deleted. So good. So deleted mailbox hyphen identity Giddy size central .store. It will return the mailbox for me. Now, as you can see, the exchange directory objects ID for Giddy still exists. What that means is that the Microsoft account is still available. And if we just come over here to the deleted users and click on Giddy and restore the user, everything will be restored fine, and the user account will still be available in the system, and all we need to do is just reassign the license to Giddy. And but what happens if we delete Giddy boy from here? Says delete permanently. All data of this user will be irrevocably deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay. Now we've proceeded to delete out of the identity system. But remember, the mailbox is still available because it's within the 30 days period since I just deleted the mailbox today. Now use PowerShell to confirm all this. Get hyphen mailbox deleted mailbox. You see the external directory object ID is still present. Just need to hold on a moment. The system will propagate and that will no longer be present. Okay, just hold on. Alright, Giddy is no more in the identity portal as a deleted user. Now, as you can see, external directory object ID is missing. What that means is that the Giddy Microsoft account identity has been removed from the system. But the mailbox still exists because it's in a sub-deleted state. And luckily for us, we can still recover this mailbox. Now, that is the purpose of this video. How do we recover this sub-deleted mailbox that has been deleted from the Entra identity portal? So I have my PowerShell command set here. copy that. Now we'll explain all these details. So now we're creating a variable called SoftDeleted Mailbox, and we are assigning it to get mailbox SoftDeleted mailbox identity. We're storing that information in the SoftDeleted mailbox variable. Click on enter. Now the next thing we'll do is copy the next line of my command. I'll explain that as well. Okay. Now remember, the mailbox is not an inactive mailbox because there are no olds present. But the mailbox is still in a SoftDeleted state, which means we can still recover this mailbox user. So now the next command we are running here says new mailbox inactive mailbox using the variable SoftDeleted mailbox which we created in the beginning dot distinguished name, trying to get the distinguished name of Gidi at NSI Central. Now we have to create a new Microsoft user account for this mailbox and assign this mailbox to the user so that we can be able to recover it. Now we have name, we name the mailbox, then the first name of the mailbox, which is Gidi, last name, which is boy, display name, which will be Gidi boy. All this information are information which you fill in when you create an active user in your M365 account. Now it says Microsoft Online Service ID, which will be your email address, and then we have to set the password, which says convert to secure string string password. Here we have the password set. This password is going to be used to recover and assign to this new user. But what I noticed is that most of the times after recovering the user mailbox, we also have to still reset the password active in order to be able to log into the account. So now I will click on enter. It says reset password on next login true. Okay, enter. Just hold on. Alright, so now we've been returned a set of strings, the name of the mailbox, the name of the user, the alias, the database where the mailbox is, and the mailbox quota, which is 99 gig, and the external directory object ID has been reassigned now to this mailbox. A new external directory object ID, which is different from the previous one. So that means that we've created a new user account. I hope that makes sense. So now if we run get mailbox soft get mailbox, click on enter, check Gidi is now present in the system. Alright, so now let's go back to active users and confirm whether Gidi is in our system actually. Now go back to active users, let's refresh the system. Now we can see Gidi is now in the system, but not unlicensed user. All we need to do now is to license the user back once more, and then the mailbox will be propagated. Save changes. Alright, let's close that. Let me refresh. Let's also come to the Exchange portal, refresh that. Just confirm the mailbox is there. So Gidi now has a license which includes an Exchange Online license, which will allow him to be able to have access to mailboxes. Right. Alright, just hold on, let's take a look at the Exchange portal. Okay, now we can see Gidi Boy is here as a user mailbox. His Exchange mailbox is available, and then we have 99 storage. Now let's attempt to first reset the password of Gidi. I have to first reset the password of this user. So let's scroll down. Alright, it's a new user, so let's reset the password. I have a preset password I normally use for my users most of the time. So I'll reset the password. Now refresh. Alright, so the password has been reset. Now let's try signing to get a new browser. Okay, click on sign in. Okay, side central. So alongside with the new password that I created. Yes. Alright, let's take a look. Now it says stay signed in. Yes. Now we have been able to learn now. Once again, Microsoft 365 because we've created the new user and we've recovered that mailbox. So let's take a look at the Outlook. Okay, the new user, so we'll be prompted to do all that. Let's open the Outlook. Alright, we are in Kitty's mailbox. That mailbox has been recovered from the self-deleted state back to the active user state where you can still take advantage of the content of the mailbox. And now you can see the test email that was sent previously from one of my accounts still exists in the mailbox. So data from the user can still be recovered within that 30-day period. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you how to recover an inactive mailbox. That is a mailbox that has been placed on the hold due to investigation of inactive mailbox or place or an org-wide hold that has been helped to retain items in that mailbox. Alright, so that will be all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to support this channel. I'll see you in the next one.